Alright guys, so it is an absolutely gorgeous day out, and we're going to talk about a couple of other bigger Mopar channels that I'm going to be hanging out with, or at least seeing this weekend. Now, if you're new to the channel, this is my Charger RT. It has a 5.7 under the hood. It's cammed, long tube headers, 3-inch MagnaFlow catback exhaust. A 392 manifold, and a bunch of other little goodies, and it's tuned by Genetti Racing. So this thing definitely can get up and move. So with that being said, let's get into it. Not that intro, this one. This is a big weekend coming up. You have pretty much anyone with a modded Hemi getting ready to, rip up the quarter mile over at Atco. There is a big Hemi shootout, and really you're going to see tons of Demons, Red Eyes, Hellcats, you name it. They're going to be out there, and they're going to be gunning for single-digit runs, okay? Now, a couple of really big YouTubers are going to be there, and it's going to be a lot of fun actually seeing, them rip down that quarter mile in person. So you got SRTMush with his Nitrous Demon. And you got Kevin Van Voris with his Charger Hellcat. Who's asking? Both of which are heavily modded. So I'm really hoping to see them do some kind of a record pass. The DA should be perfect at Atco. The drag prep at Atco is usually pretty on point. So the conditions are going to be really nice for them. Hopefully we see, SRTMush get into the 8s, and you see Kevin Van Voris. I'm not really sure exactly what he's aiming for, but hopefully you see him get into the 8s as well. So yeah, that covers kind of the YouTubers that are going to be, entering this. I know East Coast SRT Jeep is going to be there. I'm not sure if he's going to be running his modded Trackhawk. I know he just got a whole bunch of work done to it, and yeah, so it would be interesting to see that Trackhawk out there, but I'm not exactly sure what his game plan is. So that kind of covers the YouTube end of it. Now, I will be there, obviously, all weekend. That includes Friday, Saturday, and possibly even Sunday. I will be assisting and helping out my buddy Mario with the 426. Now, the last time that he was out there, he was in the mid-10s, and he, since then, has kind of upped the game a little bit. He is upgrading his blower. He's, he just has a whole bunch of modifications that he's going to be doing. He's upgraded rims, tires, you name it. And so he's gunning for the 9s, okay? So I'm going to go there, help him out in any fashion that I possibly can. And in between his passes, I will be out filming and trying to get as much content as possible for the channel, and see some of these runs out there. So within the next week or two, you're going to see a lot of drag strip footage. Again, it's going to be a huge event. This is one of the largest Hemi events out there. Now, bringing it to another topic, which is this RT. Why am I not driving this RT? And the I'm just being a chicken. That's really what it comes down to. I just do not want to break anything at this point. It's a 3.5 hour drive. If anything breaks on this thing, I'm going to be royally screwed. You know, I can't afford to do the next modification that I have in mind, along with, you know, repairing and towing this thing. So that's really what it comes down to. So I will tell you guys, I will get back to the drag strip and we will see what this thing is capable of doing. I know that it's a mid to low 12s RT, so maybe even better, who knows. But that's really where I think this thing is at this point, based on you know, how it has performed in prior you know, on the dyno and in races and such. So there is a big Mopar meet coming up. It's going to be a Mopar versus Chevy meet, and that is November 17th. So guys, if you haven't made a meet, definitely make sure you go ahead and make this one. This is going to be a good one. My buddy Motorfire is going to be co-hosting this with me. He's going to be bringing the Chevy guys. I'm going to be bringing the Mopar guys. Come out, have some fun. We're going to have Chevy guys on one side, Mopar guys on the other. And regardless of what you drive, V6 all the way to a Demon, it doesn't matter. As long as you're a Mopar, you come out, you have some fun. It doesn't matter, okay? So hopefully we outnumber and crush the Chevy side. It's all in good fun. All right, guys. So for those that are looking to head out to Atco, I will probably see you there. I'm going to be filming my little tushy off. We'll be there Friday and Saturday, possibly even Sunday. And you're going to see, you know, big YouTube channels. You're going to see SRTMush. You're going to see Kevin Van Voris, and probably a bunch of others that don't even know about at this particular point. So it's going to be interesting. I'm mildly excited. You know, I've watched SRTMush and Kevin Van Voris before I even had a YouTube channel. So it's going to be cool. You know, it's going to be cool seeing these guys out there and ripping it up in person. So all right, guys, thank you for watching the channel. Definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. All the support is greatly appreciated. All right, I'm out. Red Eye versus Demon. No times?